fried rice. Breakfast for today. Okay. We have garlic. Garlic. A lot of garlic. Garlic. We have pre-cooked egg. And then we have the rice. Okay, this one, all you need to do is make sure that this doesn't turn black. Okay. And lower the heat as soon as you see them turning brown. And we put the rice. Ooh, that's it. Mix it up quick. Just get it in time. I like my garlic to be a little golden than just plain. Add a little bit more. And let's add our egg. And if you have green onions, you can use green onions. But sometimes I used to have onions in it. If you see your pan is being stuck by the rice, it means there's no oil in the side. So what we do is we put oil a little bit on the edge and then sit on it, and then here we go. It's pretty much done. You just need to make sure that the whole rice is well married to the egg and garlic, and of course your oil. You can use bacon oil. I have my oil, from the bacon, so it's perfect. But I know it's not healthy. I'm guilty of it, but that's the way it is. Yeah. Alright, so that's pretty much it, I'm just gonna make sure that this is heat up and done for today. Okay. Okay, we're going to cook the bacon. The bacon is set up on 375 preheat oven, and we put that in the oven in about good 25 minutes. Alright, so we are going to cook egg 101, fried egg. So, see, the egg one is this. You come up from this side and you crack it like this and boom. Okay, one more. It's the best to put the a little bit of salt, not too much, not gonna hurt. And you just have to wait. Okay. See, I'll put it on the number 9 for now. And when you have it a little bit shaky, that's it. Cook cooking egg is one of the simplest learn how to cook, you know, because if you can cook egg, then you can start cooking a lot of things, you know, because this is the easiest to cook is egg. Okay, that's it for a little bit, and turn, wait, and flip. One more. Move, go around. I like to go around and flip it. Yeah, you don't want to be so most of the time that's all it is. If you like over easy, and that's over easy is there. Yeah, that's it. That's an over easy. 1, 2, 3. And what I do is I'm gonna remove it like this so it doesn't hurt the egg. And then do it again. Second. Oh, I like to crack my egg. My wife like one broken and one. Sometimes it's only one, but you know, she don't like too much yolky. So me, I love yolky. So this, me and her. I'll only cook one for. Then here we go. Control temperature that's make the egg white. You know, a lot of time you see the brown edge. It means the heat is too high. You know, and you don't want that. Gotta learn how to control your temperature. Now this is good because this is what you want. So sometimes you just go like this and slide them over. I'm gonna cook one for my one egg for her. And here we go. Salt. Put this away. One egg is easy to cook, then 2, 3. The hardest is when you have requested about 5 eggs. And that's it. Voila. Then we're cooking some eggplant for breakfast. It's traditional Filipino cooking. Or traditional Filipino breakfast. Yeah. That's it. This is done. So that's it. So we get our egg really done. Okay. Then I slice the eggplant in bias and grab it first. Let's go in. Here we go. 3 at a time. So since the pan is already hot, I use the same pan. I'm only gonna cook about, 2 to demonstrate, and then later on we'll cook the rest. Eggplant absorbs so much oil in the beginning, so you want to make sure that you lightly lightly sear them, and then you flip it again so it doesn't absorb more oil. And usually eggplant we don't put salt when we cook it because we have a little soy lemon or calamansi on the side with this. That's the way we eat it. And of course, with the special fried rice. Here we go now, we retice it, turn it around, and we wait until it's brown, golden brown. And that's about it. When you cook eggplant, always put papers underneath to the container that you're going to put them in so they can absorb the excess oil, okay? Or remaining, there we go. See now this one is pushing out see now it's golden brown, is pushing out the oil that they was absorbed earlier, look. So, it's always better to do that first so it doesn't absorb too much oil. To check, you always have to check if it's, soft already, and then that is done. Yeah. This one is a little bit hard, so we flip them up the other way, and I wait. While we're waiting, we will put new batch, and remove that, put it aside, and maybe we could put 4 on this one, and set up. That's it. That's how you cook eggplant. See, it doesn't take too long, and it's delicious, especially when eating breakfast. Filipino cuisine is one of the simplest cooking actually, because we don't put too much flavor on it. We rather cook it, one pot to have all the flavor, or separate, and then we have always a dipping sauce on the side. Like when we fried beef, fried pork chop, we have different sauce on top. Like when you do beefsteak, you have the onion and soy and vinegar or, lemon on the side, That's what's called beefsteak. You can put it on top of the meat, or you can just serve it separate. Then the sarsia, which is the tomato, onions, and garlic, salt and pepper. Sometimes we put red peppers in it. It's like sofrito in Spanish. We use that too, and then we put it on top of the fried fish, fried pork chop, and then on the beef we always use onions, like a Spanish, and then, Chinese influence or Japanese influence, there we put some soy sauce and vinegar. That's why it become very famous dish called beefsteak. And even though there's no steak in it, it's still called beefsteak. Yeah. That's the way Filipino is. Alright, so this is done, and I'll cook the rest. Okay, let's open our bacon and see how it's look like. Okay, we're almost there. Halfway. Little bit more. Alright, we're gonna flip them around. Looking good. Oh, this looks good already. Oh, this is, if you like a little, this is a perfect bacon for me. But my wife like a little crunchy, so yeah. It's time to pick it up. Let's go. Done. Oh, looking good, bacon. Alright, so always have to have a little pan like this. So when you put your bacon in, you know, you always have to put them with catch the oil or absorb the oil. And then this is it. Yeah, that's it. I put it right there. So here we go. And the excess oil, we use it again. Here we go. That's a beautiful bacon there.